All right. Thursday and Friday are focused on Ferdinand. Today is Thursday, and this is our last piece of literature that we're studying together. Hopefully you read through the picture book. You should have gotten hard copy, and then there was also the little like audio reading on YouTube if you wanted to look at that. So I have also looked at the book, and I have some thoughts. Um, First and foremost, I love the illustrations in this book. My favorite by far is the cork tree. I think that's really funny that they're actual corks. And then I also really enjoy the close-up of the bee that's on the flower. I'm trying to find it right now in my book that's in front of me. With it's kind of framed like movies are. And I think I saw that with Jumanji as well. And I just think that there's a connection between picture books and movies that feels a lot more natural than I think when you have full-length texts or pieces of fiction. A couple things I thought this was just a feel-good story. Like it's just sweet and it's happy and it preaches a pretty powerful moral message, which is you don't have to fight and you can be yourself. This is actually one of the first instances where we see the mom who's accepted of the child or the child, like the son figure. So the mom just acknowledges this is who he is. So that's kind of cool. I'm not sure if you guys have noted or talked about the black and white, but that's kind of curious to me. But in the same respects, you don't need color. I think you still get enough vivid storytelling between the words and the narration as well as the characterization in the pictures, like the pictures of the five men that are looking for the perfect bowl, and then the illustration of Ferdinand next to the bumblebee with his eyeballs bugging out when he got stung was pretty funny. I have seen Ferdinand, and I do think that the story, this is pretty faithful to the movie. There are some differences, but overall, the structure or the skeleton of the picture book seems to be the same thing that influences the movie. The other thing I think is kind of cool is that it takes place in Spain and you have Spanish culture in there. So that's kind of curious. I did try researching the authors. They're both American, so I'm kind of curious why they chose Spain, other than the practicality, because he's a bull and there's bullfighting in Spain. But that was also something kind of curious. So today, as well as moving into tomorrow, I do want you to start thinking about what do picture books seek to teach. We've talked a little bit about themes and things like that, but picture books are meant to teach kids something. I use picture books to teach my kids things a lot. So I'm curious if you are picking up on that in any children's lit. And how does it translate? Tomorrow you have a scholarly article. Monday will be your final workshop day, and then Tuesday you will present. Just a friendly reminder that I'll give you about 15 minutes at the start of class on Tuesday to help you and to look over your presentation very quickly, and then we need to present and finish up the semester. So happy film viewing. You guys are going to take notes, but I am going to let you choose how you want to take them. And I will look at those on Tuesday when I get back to class. And then the closing is what message or messages are you getting from the movie. So happy Ferdinand watching.